What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today we're on to one of my favorite topics in the entire world, cookware, right? So we have the Velosan cookware set. This is a ceramic cookware set, 8-piece set. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors. I don't know what color this is, so we're going to be surprised when we open this up. We're going to give this a little test. We're going to melt some stuff in the fry pan, right? So, welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. It's Wednesday. So, if you didn't know, before I started my YouTube channel, I was completely obsessed with cookware. That has continued to this day, right? Cookware is my absolutely favorite topic out of anything for the kitchen. You know, I love appliances and I love gadgets and all that, but cookware is my foundation and this is what I love. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Velosan for sending this over. This is an interesting set. It comes in a bunch of different colors. So there's pink, there's purple, there's green, there's yellow, there's cream color. So if you are a person who loves to bring some color into your kitchen, this might be a great set, huh? It's also ceramic. So you don't have those PFOA, PFAS based chemicals that are pretty much on their way out. They're at the cutting edge of this by bringing in a product that doesn't have those chemicals in them. Let's get this baby open. So better for you, better for the earth, right? And those chemicals are in there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Very nice box. I lost my box cutter. Sort of went outside or something. I don't know, Eric.
I don't know what you're talking about, though.
Woo! Okay. Nice. So what color do you think it is?
Purple? I don't know. What?
I told them to surprise me on the color.
Oh, yeah, pink.
It's pink! Pink, pink! Look at how beautifully that's packaged. Oh. Right? It's pink! So, this is a little pamphlet. So this is a little pamphlet, tells you all the features, your warranty, how to clean it, all that fun stuff. Wow, pink! This is awesome. I love pink cookware. So we have our pieces here. I'm just going to get them all out. Whoa, nice. Whoa, nice. This has like a stir-fry pan. We got some lids. Can sort all this out. Sweet. Whoa. More lids. And more lids. Whoa, this set is cute. So what are we going to start with here? Let's start with this pan. So this is a saucepan. It has this little lid on it. Very nice. Very nice. Look at the pink color. I love it. Here we have, wow, this is a really nice skillet. Whoa, I love how the handle sort of goes up like this, get you away from the heat. So this is nice, really nice non-stick ceramic finish. We have this. You can use it on gas. It says induction too, right?
Yeah, they say it's good on everything.
Yeah, so that's awesome. We could try it on the induction.
Yeah, we always say that, right?
So this is a little Dutch oven. It's a cutie pie. Look at the little wings on the side. That's really cute, huh? Gives you a nice lid that'll let that condensation come down. We have a cute little saucepan here, and we have this big old stir fry pan. Awesome, look at that. Woohoo, right? So that gets this lid. Sweet. And does this get this lid? Whoa. Not a lot of times you get a fry pan that has a lid. Most of the time they don't come with a lid. And we have this pan. It's this lid. Sweet. So let me get some stuff out. We're going to use this and we will try to test this nonstick. So I'm going to cook an egg as I usually would. I got a little bit of butter in here. Not too much. That gives it a little bit of flavor. And we're going to go ahead and crack the egg in here. I have it down on low. Okay, I'll cook it higher than I usually do, just to speed the process along.
Yeah, we're testing this thing, see what it can do, right?
Ooh, look at that. That's a little section that I put in here. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah, let's say it's non-stick. Look at that. Woo! 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 Yeah, look at that. It's just, it's skating on the surface.
Yeah.
Very nice. Look at that. Usually it'll initially stick and then release. This one didn't stick at all from the very beginning. Wow, that's nice. So, one thing I can say about this little fry pan is it does have high sides. So if you want to stir fry, if you want to stir fry little vegetables in here for two, right? You have some leftover rice, you're going to make a little fried rice, you can do that in this pan. You got nice, decent size, higher sides. Very nice. Look at that. Woo. Woo. Awesome. That worked really well. So now we're going to get into the super stick. I love doing these tests. The super stick. What are we going to super stick first, Boo?
Well, do you need a little fat for the chocolate? So do you want to put the cheese in first?
Want to put a little cheese in here?
Yeah, and you need to get that up on high. We're not cooking it medium rare.
You don't want to cook too far on high in a non-stick pan.
I don't want to burn it, but on the other hand, if you burn it, that's a good test.
Ooh, burnt cheese, look at that.
All right.
Look at how easy that comes out.
All right.
It's not sticking at all. Ooh, look at that.
Okay, before he gets too cooked, we need some friends.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
All right. Wait.
What kind of friends do you want?
You might as well get some chocolate in there sooner or later.
Chocolate?
Yeah, sooner or later.
Ooh.
You don't want to have a big old party, just throw everybody in there together.
Ooh, look at it. Chocolate is pretty sticky. I'm cleaning up the chocolate with the cheese.
Yeah, that's all right. We're starting to get a little smoke off of this. I know we don't have any peeps, but we do got marshmallows.
Marshmallow, the sticky treat.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
Come on, that's too clean. Come on, we need some more stuff.
Brown sugar. Ooh, yeah.
Melt that really good.
I don't know if there's too much anything stickier, and look at that, than what we got in here right now. We got marshmallows is like the ultimate sticky.
I think if you put that in just a regular stainless steel pan, I think it would stick really good.
Shoot. You'd be having a fun night scrubbing. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. That is sticky and gooey. Look at that sticky and gooey. Ooh. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I would say this has good non-stick capabilities. Look at that. Wow.
The only thing else you can really test is just to throw some potatoes in there.
Fried potatoes.
Throw some potatoes. That gets sticky.
That is about as sticky and gooey as you're going to get. Look at it sticking on my...
Oh yeah, your spatula staying on.
Ooh, look at that. See how good that is?
Yeah.
This is nice non-stick.
I mean, you're almost cleaning it up.
Woo!
Just by scraping it.
I'm scrubbing it with the food. So, you think this is going to come out looking clean? Whoa! Whoa! Look at that. Give me a little paper towel here. Whoa! It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Whoa, look at that. Booyah! That was awesome. So, obviously the nonstick is great. We haven't cooked anything else in here. We will, though. Yeah, I'll put links down in the description. The nonstick on this works great. The only thing that I've seen since taking it out of the box is these things have an interesting shape to them. Like they're oval, they have a cute shape to them. The lid has a lip here. So you have to put the lid on a certain way. If you put it on opposite, it doesn't fit. It has a certain way that the lid goes on.
They're oval, but they have a slightly flat side on one side.
Yeah, they have a flat side on one side, so you just have to put the lid on, you know, a certain way. But this bad boy, we need to do some stir fry. Thank you, Velosan. I really appreciate it. This was great. The nonstick worked great. And I'm looking forward to, we can make some fried rice. You want to make some fried rice in here?
Why not?
We can make some fried rice in here. Stay tuned, because that'll be maybe the next upload. Thanks for joining me. Happy Wednesday.